Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down a little bit today, down 1.81, 0.94%, closed at 190.41. Post-market, we seem to be down by a further 25 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a red candle today. We have a longer wick at the bottom. This is an indication that there are some buyers coming in when we are getting close to 187.41, our support. And look at how perfect this is. We came back down just a little bit below and went back up. So 187.41 is really important. And I was looking at it also today, and we have a double support situation because if we look at it here on March 2nd, we went a little bit further down than 187.41 and then came back up just to be safe and not to get side-swept below 187.41 and then it comes back up. I'm going to go down to 185.69 myself. This also fits with a resistance that we had on March 16, 17, and 18. You can choose what you want, but I'm going to go with 185.61. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, where's the first candle of the day? This one right here. We see some buying pressure here. The buyers were there, but they lost that round here. So from the second hour, came down and look at this perfection. Look at this perfection. Came right down to the low was at 187.26 and we stopped there. And the next hour, then we started to go up and then we were squished down by the sellers. So a lot more sellers right here. And then sideways candle and then we had some impulse. So people are coming in a little bit. And for now, we are still shy of 191.33. The war is not won yet. We have won that battle right here. Stochastic is quite low. It's coming back up a little bit. So let's hope that things are going to pick up next week a little bit. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, what do we have here? We have stochastic at 56, is right close to 60. MACD, we have the 2 thumbs up and also the same thing for RSI and DMI. Also, I have added a couple of interesting lines right here. So we have this downward trend line and we have an upward trend line right here. So in fact, we are into this, I would say, symmetrical triangle. This is also a pattern that is in play right now. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX closed at 2173, coming down a little bit. It went quite high today. It went even higher than it was yesterday. Things could have been much worse for Tesla because of this. But then things recovered. We are coming down and look at this here. So our stochastic is still trending down even today. This is nice to see this. This is giving me hope that Tesla will start picking up a little bit next week. If we take a look at Dow Jones, so a green candle right here, stochastic is increasing a little bit. S&P, another green candle. I like to see that. NASDAQ, also a green candle. Still under 11,834, but a good stochastic for NASDAQ. So this is helping us. Let's take a look at Sprott physical gold. So pulled back a little bit after the nice day that we had yesterday, but a pullback that did not erase everything that was done yesterday. Silver, another pullback for silver, coming close to this resistance right here. So I know it's going to be a little bit more turbulent because of that. Stochastic is still good. And Bitcoin, I like to see that the lows are getting a little bit higher for the past 3 days. Still trying to fight that resistance right here. Stochastic is still very good. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.